So dearly beloved, we are gathered here today in the sight of God, in this beautiful environment to be able to join together this man and this woman, Robert and Taylor, in holy matrimony. Now look at these mountains behind us. These mountains remind us that God is the maker of heavens and earth, and he loves you, and he is your helper. So Taylor, you sent me 5 things that you thought that was great about Robert. I think this would be a great time to be able to share it with everybody. So number 1, that Robert, she appreciates that you empower her to have a voice to be heard and speaks up for her. 2, you are the most loyal friend in the way that he cares, supports, and protects those close to him. Number 3, your commitment to growth, both as an individual and as a unit together. Number 4, his unfiltered, fully honest view of life. He's completely authentic person whose action matches his words and beliefs. Number 5, his ability to love life in the most exciting moments and in the middle of the mundane. Life is always good with him. And Taylor just threw in number 6. One of the traits was that you're hot. Robert, you love her laugh. When she really laughs out loud, you can feel the joy belting out of her and brings you happiness to see her happy. Number 4, her goofiness. I love that we can both just be ourselves with 0% judgment, knowing that the other fully loves us no matter how much of a fool we act like. Number 3, Taylor's patience. When I go through a stressful time, she remains loving and always ready to help me through things. Number 2, her openness. She's always willing to try new things and interests, even when they're not even close to her interest. And number 1, Robert appreciates your loyalty. No doubt in my mind that she will always be by my side, and I hers. He loves you, Taylor.
Hi.
Oh, the back's so pretty.
I got buttons down to the
Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, wait, we're not allowed to kiss.
Yeah, we can kiss.
I, Robert, take you, Taylor, to be my wedded wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poor, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, till death shall separate us. According to God's scriptures, I pledge you my love.
I, Taylor, take you, Robert, to be my wedded husband, to have and to hold, and then stand forward. Great. For better, for worse, for richer, for poor, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, until death shall separate us. According to God's scriptures, I pledge you my love.
And I just think of the word delight when I think of both of you and your love together. The Lord your God is with you, is mighty to save. He'll take great delight in you. He will quiet you with his love, and he'll rejoice over you with singing. He delights in you, so he gives you family, he gives you friends, he gives you love, he gives you grace. He gives you each other to be able to delight in this beautiful life that we have together.
Taylor, you are so strong. I am so honored just to be your brother. The fact that we are friends is one of the greatest honors of my life. I just love you so much, and you're the best. Rob's been my best friend since I was 15 years old. Since Rob and Taylor started dating, I've had so many people ask me, they're like, how does it feel that your sister is dating your best friend? And I always say I feel great because Rob's a good guy. But I just want to talk about how Rob is a good guy. You're silly, and my sister loves a good fart joke. And you do great fart jokes. You are unrelentingly loyal, and you love your friends so deeply. And so the biggest thing that was given to me, my family, is that we could trust you. And I love you dearly because you have been there for me in really hard days. And I know that you're gonna be there for Taylor on really hard days. And that's all we could ever ask.
One of the most loyal, consistent, caring people that I know. And Rob, same to you. So creative, confident in who you are. You guys, anybody who's your friend or family, knows that you are consistent and you just are a pillar of steadiness. I just want you guys to know I couldn't have picked better family. So everybody, a toast to the bride and the groom.
Since Taylor and Robert have consented together this vows of holy matrimony and have witnessed the same before God in this gathering, and they've declared the same by the joining of hands and the exchange of rings, I pronounce that they are husband and wife together in the name of the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit. You may kiss your bride. Turn and face the wonderful crowd. It is my honor to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Robert and Taylor Schneider.